Whoa! Does that- He is. Sure he is. Can't be ass chasing. I want to kill. He's U-banned as well. Force field. Counter attacked him. That is force field. I can't hear him. Now I kill you. Ha 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 ha. Oh, wait till ally. You can't trick me with that, Michael. There's someone behind. Who the hell's that? No, what? I'm wrong. Because you enemy me before and then re-ally me, you're pathetic. I don't care. You deserve it. I'm not after your stuff because I know you got no stuff. I'm after killing you because you betrayed me. What the? Lol. He's still going. Look at him. Michael, I can't. I'm getting murdered. Laughing my ass off. The hell? Look at this. He's not drowning. Michael, accept that quickly. Slash kit iron. Slash kit.